Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 34 minus 7, okay, is equal to 27. Then again 34 minus 7 is equal to 27. Now 27 multiply 27 is equal to 729. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Is equal to 34 minus 7 multiply 34 minus 7 is equal to 27 is equal to, now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, okay? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 34 minus, now 7 multiply 27 is equal to 189. Now 34 minus 189 is equal to minus 154, okay? So the correct answer is minus 154. If you like this problem, please like, share. 155. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.